Living a healthier life is not impossible if you engage in healthy eating and regular exercises. Turning to fast food is often the quick and easy solution when faced with a busy day. We are now depending too much on ready-to-eat meals, and eating the right kind of food is important as we need calories to give our body the staying power it needs. Think of a natural organic food, rich in fiber and known for centuries. Many people refer to it as a superfood, with enough nutrients to have extensive health benefits for those from all walks of life. Chia seed has been used for hundreds of years by South American cultures for its health-boosting benefits. It's one of history's forgotten superfoods, as the name chia comes from the Aztec word cayenne, which means oily, for being rich in nutrient-dense oils. Both white and black seeds have got the same nutritional values and with no flavor of its own, and it's easy to add in our diet as supplement. Chia seed is an unrivaled source of nutrients and with enough protein, healthy fats, and rich fiber content. It's really an organic natural food, the best source to supplement the nutrients, which normally not found in the average daily diet. Everyone should eat chia seed supplement with over 27 minerals, amino acids, and vitamins, and it is not hard to see why. Chia has a history back to 14th century. The Aztec warriors depended on chia for food to keep healthy and nourished as they traveled hundreds of miles across the mountains. Though it just started gaining popularity around the world, chia seeds are widely used in Mexico and other parts of America as a superfood supplement, adding in drinks and food, gaining energy, digestion, and greater endurance. Research shows that a diet rich in chia seeds contains absolutely no cholesterol and even lowers any harmful LDL cholesterol present in the body. Chia seed rich in omega-3 fatty acids has been scientifically proven to help reduce high blood pressure and lowering risk of heart attacks. Reducing the amount of fat in the diet is therefore the most effective way to reduce calorie intake. Therefore, blending and consuming chia seed supplement in our regular diet can improve our overall feeling of well-being, and on the other hand could lower the risk of developing illness and diseases. Planning to boost your kids' diets with a nutrient-rich food? When organic chia seeds crushed and added in meals, kids won't even notice you're feeding rich source of omega-3s, vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. It can be a great idea taking just 2 tablespoons per day, enough to boost your energy, complete with protein, fiber, amino acids, and other vitamins. Blend it with your breakfast cereals or salads. That should be a good source of protein or fiber and a quick boost of energy. Moreover, it will strengthen our immune system by killing baneful compounds and toxins. Chia helps keep you feel fuller whole day, and therefore, you're not tempted to eat snacks or any fast food over and again. Considering that most people get less than half of their recommended fiber in diet each day, chia seed is a fast and convenient way to boost your fiber intake and minimize digestive problems. No doubt chia seed is a superfood and ideal for children, athletes, diabetics, pregnant women, children, vegetarians, and people who want to lose weight and fight signs of aging. Add chia to your daily diet. Simply eat like professional athletes and achieve maximum health benefits with the convenience of a seed that can be easily integrated in your diet. Thank you, and may this information useful for you.